text has meaning. No, this time you stay till the morning. Duvet days and vanilla ice cream.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Min. I'm happy to have you here. So I feel like I do one of these spring peachy looks every single year, but I really love this color combo. And if you guys stick to the end, I'm also doing a giveaway, so check that out. Did you guys notice that I did something different to my hair? It's this kind of brassy brown color. It's not supposed to be this color actually. I mean, I did it myself from like a $15 box dye. I mean, I wasn't expecting like professional results. I mean, and low-key, I think I did it wrong anyways. I was only supposed to leave like the foam dye thing in my hair for like 20 minutes. I kind of left it in for like 45, which is probably why this area is like a lot more browner than the area back here, because when I did it, I just mushed it all. I mean, I did mix it, but I kind of like just mushed it right here and let that sit for like a good like 30 minutes, so my bad. And before I keep rambling on and on, is there anything that I missed? I don't think so. Alright you guys, let's get this video started. So my face is looking very dewy and luminous because I moisturized with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and then I applied a little bit of MAC Stroke Cream all over my face to give it that nice glow. Before I move on any further, I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Yeah, excuse my breakouts, I have no idea why. I've been breaking out so much, like I literally haven't even been wearing makeup, so I think it's because I've been eating like Takis and a lot of like sugar, which is not good for your skin. But so after I finish my Girl Scout cookies, I'm cutting off sugar like completely. So right now I'm filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. I really like this because the pencil itself is really thin. It's very comparable to the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I really like thin brow pencils as opposed to their thicker ones. Now I'm taking the white NYX eyeshadow base to prime my eyelids. And I'm blending that out with the Wet n Wild P25 brush. I'm immediately setting my eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm doing this so my eyeshadow can not only pop, but stay in place all day. For my first transition color, I'm using the shade Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the Morphe R40 brush. Next, I'm taking the shade Glisten from Anastasia. This is one of their single shadows. I bought this when they had like their massive sale. I literally bought like $100 worth of shadows. I have so many quads right now. I was deciding between a couple of these pink shades, but I think I want to do this one. So right now I'm taking the shade Glisten. Since this is like a kind of metallic foil color, I'm using my fingers to apply. So I'm just taking the shade Glisten, and I'm running that all over my lid as an all over lid color. Next, I'm going to take this shade. This is also an Anastasia single. This is in the shade, hold on, let me pop this out. I don't want to drop it. This is in the shade Pink Champagne. So once again, this is a metallic, so I'm going to just apply this all. Actually, I'm not applying this all over my lid. I'm just going to dot it. I'm just applying it right in the center. Now I'm going to take one of Stila's liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Peachy Sheen. Oh my god, that's perfect for this look. I didn't even plan that, honestly. I was just digging through my box of shadows. So I applied that on the center, and now I'm taking a synthetic brush and I'm just feathering the glitter out. To feather it out, I'm using the Morphe M170 brush. I feel like this shadow was missing some depth, so now I'm just taking this fawn color. I believe it's called fawn. Yes, it is called fawn. I'm like an expert. I want to deepen it up, but I don't want it to be super dark. So this is basically like a super dark transition shade, and I'm just going to pat that on the outer V because I feel like it was missing some depth, you know? Right now I'm using the Morphe M433 brush. A little bit in the inner V, and now I'm gonna do the same for this eye. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. Super pretty. I'm applying some in my inner corners as well. Right now, I'm gonna line my eyes with Kat Von D's Tattoo Eyeliner in the shade Trooper Black. So my camera battery died for like 5 minutes, so a little bit got cut off, but not too much. But basically, I felt like the look was not pink enough, if you know what I mean, or peachy enough. So I just dusted along a little bit of this color, this pink color from the Morphe 35B palette, and that's it. That's all I did. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick and apply mascara. So for mascara today, I'm using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is new apparently. Oh, I just dropped my mirror. Yeah, this is their Black is Black 601. This is what the wand looks like. It's very fat. I feel like this is gonna be very voluminous. I like the texture of it. It makes it really easy to hold on to. So what this mascara is supposed to do is make your lashes really full and fluffy. 85% soft bold, full volume, no overload, 92% soft length. And it says 4 out of 5 love their lash look. Okay, let's hope that I'm one of those 4. Alright, this reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It reminds me of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I feel like the one thing I really like about my lashes is that no matter what mascara I apply, even if it's clumpy or not, my lashes don't clump together. They separate really well. And for my lashes today, I'm using these Allure lashes. I'm pretty sure they're Allure. I don't remember what style they are, but I will link them in the description box down below like always. So I ordered a birthday gift from my mom. Her birthday's tomorrow, and I ordered her one of those custom phone cases, and on the back it's a picture of our family. And I waited for like a whole month for it to come in, and it finally came in like the other day. Opening up the package, I find out that it's not an actual case. It was just a sticker. So skin it, run me my money. I thought I was getting a case, not a sticker. It's too late to reorder because it's gonna take another month. So right now I'm just like, I don't know what I'm gonna get her. So that's one lash on. For foundation today, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So I know this has been out for like a year or two already, so I know I'm a bit late, but this is my first time trying it out. I just color matched myself to like the box it came with. Because I got it at CVS, and of course you can't really swatch anything at CVS. So yeah, I got the shade Vanilla. Let's just hope that it's my shade. If not, then I'll be really disappointed because this was like $10, $14. I don't remember, but it was a lot for a drugstore foundation. Should I do like those Instagram drops? I guess I should. I just got it all over my shirt. Oh my god, this is not gonna wash out. Oh my god, this shirt has been through everything. I spilled like dark red liquid lipstick on this shirt before. Pause, let me change shirts. So I'm back. That was upsetting. How do those people do it on Instagram? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop it on my palette like a responsible person. Ugh. Okay, I don't know how many drops I just put, but that was a lot. Oh my god. This foundation I swore. Oh, she's a little light. So this is not my shade clearly. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Estee Lauder's Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation in the shade 2 and 1 Desert Beige. I know this is a lot darker and warmer than my natural skin color, so hopefully this will look decent. Okay, so you guys see like the difference? So that's the NYX one and that's the Estee Lauder one. It's crazy. So right now I'm just applying that Estee Lauder one. I'm not using any more of the NYX one right now. So for my under eye concealer, I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. You know, just because it has the name Vanilla in the shade range doesn't mean it's your color, man. Can we talk about how the fact that the concealer is looking darker than the foundation itself? You know, today is not the day. The foundation gods have been like, you know what, man? You've had a pretty good streak. Let's not fuck you up. So other than the fact that my shade match was completely off, I really like the coverage of this. I think, you know what I did? I didn't do 3 drops. I just did like, I squeezed it and then I just drizzled out however much this is. So yeah, so that's probably like a lot more than 3 drops, but other than that, and it's not settling into my fine lines at all. Like I haven't seen any like creasing, even though I still haven't set it, which is really good. So other than that, I'm going to wait for the foundation to dry, then I'll powder my face down. I'm going to actually cream contour a little bit with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze because since I'm looking like Casper, I figured I might as well bronze my face up a little bit to not look so dead. So now I'm using Hourglass's Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Ethereal Light to set all of my foundation. So I'm going to bring further life back into my face. And right now I'm using the MAC 135 brush. To further contour my face, I'm using this Tarte bronzer. This is in the shade Park Princess. Right now I'm just pinching the brush. This is the Kat Von D Shade & Light brush. And I'm just running that down my nose. For blush today, what better blush to use than MAC's Peachy Keen? This is one of my favorite colors, but for a peachy color, I feel like it's a little bit dark. So it does have a little bit more of like a brownish reddish undertone to it. But other than that, it's still very pretty. It's suitable for every skin tone. And I'm applying that with the Bare Minerals Blooming Blush Brush. Oh my god, I can never say that. Top off the excess. A little bit of blush on the nose, and then I'm running that along my lower lash line. For bottom lash mascara today, I'll be using MAC's Bold, Bad, and Black mascara. So it comes with 2 wands. This is the lower lash line wand. We can't forget about highlight. Of course, I'm using Anastasia's and Amrezi's highlighter. So pretty. And I'm using a fan brush to apply this. This is the Morphe M310 brush. Oh my god, so pretty. I just love how silky it looks. Like my skin literally looks so wet right now. Oh my god, so pretty. It literally looks like my skin is wet right now. So I'm first lining my lips with Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip liner. And I'm gonna top that off with Anastasia's Naked Liquid Lipstick. This is a very light pinky peachy nude. Last but not least, I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Alright you guys, now it's time for me to announce the giveaway. And they're both, drumroll, and they're both highlighters. I'm giving it away Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Super pretty. You guys already see me demonstrate it in this video. It's what I have on my cheeks right now. It looks wet. For the other highlight, it's one of my favorites. Oh my god. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder Highlight. This is a loose powder highlight. And the shade that I'm giving away is Cocoa Bling. So Cocoa Bling, I would describe it as a very like white vanilla goldy shade. It's a lot more, it leans more white than gold, if you know what I mean. There's a slight like yellow hint to it. So yeah, I'm really excited to give away these 2 highlighters. It's gonna go to 1 lucky winner. Entry to this giveaway is to be 1. So all you have to do to gain entry to this giveaway is 1, be subscribed to my channel, 2, like the video, 3, comment down below your Instagram handle, that way I can contact you, and 4, follow me on Instagram at VanillaTrap. So I will be announcing 1 winner a week from now, so good luck y'all. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, I'll leave all of the products and brushes that I use down in the description box down below. If they're not down below, then they're probably on screen over here or here. But yeah, like always, you can follow me on all of my social medias. I'm super active. I interact with everyone. I love interacting with you guys. My Instagram and Twitter is at VanillaTrapso, and my Snapchat is at minby98. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!